One incident happened that one girl died due to tree fall and they expired झाले त्याचे ट्रीटमेंट चालू असताना. So
it is really unfortunate for what has happened. You know, but it is not a man-made thing. What has happened? I believe I have told the commissioner basically to have to make a report from the forest department and make the assessment of all these trees which are there in Panjim. I think they will be in the right position basically to tell the longevity of the trees and whether if they are going to cause any danger to the people.
Nowadays, incident, no, there are a number of incidents happenings like this. So, what you will like to tell to the people?
No. First of all, I would like to tell the people. See, whenever they are parking the cars and all, and these days there was a continuous rain shower for the past 8-10 days. Sometimes, what about these trees? Half of the trees basically which are there, their roots are basically coming up. You understand? So balance part of it, I think that balancing part of it, that is the right thing what the sun should do actually, forest department. And that's the reason I have told this fellow, commissioner, to ask the forest department basically to make an assessment of all the trees. In London and all what they do now, they trim this, they completely make it like bald, the trees. You understand? No? And then after the shoots and all, the branches start coming up. Something like that. We should basically consult or get some expert basically to even the trimming. Even when they trim these trees, they don't give the balance of the trees. Sometimes they just cut the branches which are coming out and all this thing. So the other side of the branches become heavy, the side of the tree. And then sometimes I think that there's a problem as far as the balancing is concerned.
Correct.
Scientifically, basically the trees should be trimmed. Yes, haphazard the trees which they are trimming is all haphazard. Yes, because something is coming down here, let us just trim. And after they miss the balance, they must basically see that which side the tree will tilt afterwards.
Correct. So sir,
we are not expert into this.
Yeah, time bound report
No, I have told them to write. There's not a time bound report. I have told them to write to the forest department and tell them to make the assessment of all these trees. Let's see how long. But I think a week or 10 days should be more than this thing. But in the meantime, I request all the people, basically I appeal to all the people, wherever they park their cars and all, see that where there are huge trees and all, please try avoid parking the cars over there.